do impressions.
Yes.
Oh! Okay, what is your all-time favorite impression to do?
Oh.
Not as good as she is, but I'm pretty sure it's a dab.
It's the dab. Let's see that again. Okay.
That's just a lot. That's just all that goes in.
You ever cracked an egg before?
No, but I'll try.
That's good. You missed. That's fine.
But what's it like to have such a shy child?
Am I really?
No. Sarcasm is what that was. Da 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 da. That's your answer. Okay. All right. Great photo, huh?
Yeah.
Completely missed the bowl with that one. That was a nice shot.
It's hard baking.
It's hard baking. I know you're exhausted from making a mess. Okay, that looks like it's for the table.
Well, one time I put an onion in Reese's lunch as a trick, but he ate it like it wasn't even a joke, just like a good kid eats their lunch.
Now, we asked your dad at what age you should start dating. Did he say 14, 22, or never?
22?
He actually said never. Spaghetti.
Yeah.
No problem. Easy one. He
Easy
said
one.
Caesar salad.
Caesar salad!
See, I like that you took responsibility. I would have blamed my dad.